After watching the video, subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If you have any request, tell us in the comment section.
Hey everyone! Did you know that Padaro Beach in California is experiencing a surge in juvenile great white sharks? Yeah, it's become quite the hotspot for these ocean predators. But don't worry, technology is stepping in to keep us safe. Introducing Shark Eye, an innovative project by the University of California, Santa Barbara. They're using drones to watch over the waters and detect sharks in real time. Imagine getting a heads up about a shark nearby while you're catching waves. But here's the twist. Humans can't always keep up with scanning drone footage. This is where AI comes into play. Shark Eye is training an AI model to analyze drone footage and automatically spot great white sharks. Early tests are promising, with the AI catching sharks that human eyes might miss. The goal? To have AI-assisted alerts ready by next summer. Imagine a future with fully automated shark detection. It's like having a high-tech lifeguard watching your back. And it doesn't stop there. Shark Eye plans to make their AI model available for other locations and shark species. This means more beaches could benefit from advanced shark detection technology. Of course, challenges remain, like getting enough training data under different conditions. But Shark Eye is committed to making their app user-friendly and adaptable for various coastal communities. In the end, it's all about using technology to improve beach safety and foster a better relationship with sharks. By giving us the tools to monitor and coexist with these fascinating creatures, Shark Eye is paving the way for safer and more informed beach experiences. So next time you're hitting the waves at Padaro Beach, remember, it's not just you and the sharks. Technology's got your back. Stay safe and catch you later.